serious. Oh my God, I'm serious. Big 392 man, and I'm back with another banger. As you see from the title today, I'm spicing up my interior just a tad bit, just a small bit. So if you got a, say, a Charger 11 through, I want to say 18, and you tired of this Charger sign, we're gonna get rid of that. So I need everybody to go to what is it, Rebadge on Instagram. I'll drop the picture of it in just somewhere in a thing, man. So just look, I'm gonna tell y'all a backstory on this and why I did it. So one day I was chilling in my boy Hellcat, you know, and he was talking about some dude. He was like, man, I got in his car, and I know his car was old because when I got in there, it said Charger on it. What the fuck? I'm like, damn. In my head, I ain't saying nothing, but I'm like, damn, my shit say Charger. So he was like, yeah, man, you know, I got a 2019, and I look down here, it say SRT Hellcat. I'm like, damn, that's dope. You know, I want to do it. I want to do something like it. So I went and got a custom badge on his you know what I'm saying? King of the jungle. You know what I'm saying? Get the ape on side of me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, this is not no paid sponsorship with nobody. I just like the stuff he doing in custom. Who can beat custom? Like, you can't beat this. So I'm gonna apply it. Damn, hand sticky as hell. Apply it just like that. You know what I'm saying? Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Hey man, this dude Rebadge is cold at what he do, you know. He can get you all of this, all of that, everything you need. So if you like this short video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, DY, this for you extreme suds. You can't talk stuff about custom, baby, because I finally did something different and ain't nobody fucking with me. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really mess with me, hit that bell and follow me on Instagram at Big392. I'm gone.